Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to write an email easily with the help of Writer. You can select a language and tone based on your email. There are 20 plus tones available on Writer. After selecting a tone, you can choose the use case as email for writing an email. Enter your key points based on your emails, and it will generate a beautiful email for you. You can also select an option that shows how many variants of emails you need and also selects the creativity level. Maximum of 3 variants can be selected on Writer and clicked on Write for me to generate an email. It will write a beautiful email on the editor panel. Writer provides 2 variants of an email as we selected the variant as 2, each with a different subject line and body of the content easily with one click. You can also rephrase, expand, or improve the content with Writer's content writing tool. Try Writer for free with 5,000 characters per month. Check out the link below to try for free.